Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is me Joy. So for the video is magbabag-grade tayo. Yan. It is my bag for school year 2025-2026 in grade 11. Senior high na ako guys. So sa small packet ko is this one. Protector. And then the second packet is highlighter, correction tape, 1/4 index, and for the main packet is we have a 2 ruler, a 1 hole intermediate pad, yellow pad, 1/2 crosswise, lengthwise, and my binder. Yan. This is my binder. Guys. Binder. This is my binder. And then, my pencil case. My packet. And this it is my ball pen. We have a 3 black ball pen. And 1 pentel pen, 3 black ball pen, 2 red ball pen, 2 blue ball pen, 2 green ball pen, 2 pink ball pen, and then this is a brown ball pen. And then to my art materials naman, is a long bond paper, short bond paper, 2 din siya, and colored paper, dalawa din. And my envelope is 1, dalawa din. This is a short and long. This is a long envelope and a clear book. So that's it guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.